For today's video, I prepared 5 unique ways to use glass textures with Nano Pro that you can implement in your next designs. My name is Ruben Stom and I create content around AI and design, and if that's something that you're interested in, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I don't want this video to take too long, so I structured it by first quickly showing the prompt I used and then showing each result the AI model generated. And that way, if you like to, you can pause the video to read the prompts or download all of them for free using the link in the description. And after each prompt, I move on to the image that the AI model created, and I use Nano Pro for all the generated images you'll see in today's video. Okay, without further ado, let's start with the first glass effect. The ripple effect is for many designers related to automated Photoshop actions. And this was a more advanced and relatively time-consuming technique to achieve in professional editing tools, but now with the AI image models becoming better and better, you can achieve this effect with a single prompt. And in some ways, this method of applying a glass effect to an image might even be superior to creating it manually in Photoshop, as the imperfections in the glass give that extra nudge towards photorealism. This Glassmorphism effect is very interesting and really shows how smart the AI model is. And it understood its task of creating the diamond pattern perfectly, and I especially love how it handled the displacement in the areas where the glass becomes thicker. And something you wouldn't easily achieve in Photoshop are the white reflections on the right part of the glass. And details like these make the image look beautiful and so realistic. Using this diamond Glassmorphism effect could look really cool on a website banner, for example. This glass effect really draws the viewer's eye to the center of the image. And I specifically searched on Unsplash for an image where the center holds the main subject. I found that this prompt performed really well in many different scenarios and consistently reproduced similar looking glass effects with a hole in the middle. However, I had difficulty removing the hole and leaving just the cracks, or removing the hole to a different part of the image to shift the focus away from the center. And because of that, this prompt is best used to draw attention to the center. And something else that's definitely worth mentioning is how perfectly the AI model added prismatic highlights along the cracks. And just playing around with shadows and experimenting with light effects gives designers a lot of opportunities to generate more unique looking images. And I might even make a video about it now that I think about it. With this prompt, I wanted the AI model to generate a horizontal bar in the middle of the image. And the most obvious use case is using the glass bar as a placeholder for text, similar to how Apple uses it in their UI designs. And this example shows one of the many ways that you can add Glassmorphism to AI generated images and use them directly in your design work. And what I specifically found interesting here is the perfectly centered placement of the bar, almost as if the model is looking through it. This is such a practical prompt for designers, as it generates a soft, milky glass effect that blurs the image wherever the glass appears. And by adjusting the angle and placement, you could easily implement this style in many real-world use cases. This would make a very interesting poster or work well for a quick animated ad, like the one that I created here. And for this animation, I used VO 3.1 and instructed the AI model to use 2 reference images and slide the glass in from the left side. And I then uploaded the resulting video to Canva, I added text and used the clarify animation to quickly finish it. And creating an ad this way can save you a lot of time, so I honestly think that the longest part of the process was generating the video itself. So these were the 5 Glassmorphism examples that you can use in your next design project. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to try the prompts yourself, you can grab the free download link in the video description. And if it isn't too much trouble, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.